Time to eat smart.
Let's stay healthy.
Healthy food, happy life. Nice. I like corn on the cob.
Me too. Tastes good and helps your body.
Hey Nancy, do you like fruit?
Yes, I love fruit.
Me too. It's tasty and healthy.
Exactly. It's sweet and good for us.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes. You?
I like apples. They're easy to eat.
Apples are full of fiber.
Right, and fiber helps digestion.
Fruits have vitamins too.
Like vitamin C in oranges?
Yes. That helps our immune system.
So we don't get sick easily.
Yup. And bananas give energy.
Because they have natural sugar?
And potassium. Good for muscles.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yep. Runners eat bananas a lot.
That's smart. I should try that.
Fruits are good snacks.
Better than chips or candy.
And they're low in fat.
So they help with weight too.
Yes, if you eat them instead of junk food.
I like grapes. So juicy.
Grapes have antioxidants.
What do those do?
They fight damage in your body.
Wow, fruit really is powerful.
Yep. Berries are great too.
Like blueberries?
Yes. Good for your brain.
That's cool. I want to eat more now.
Me too. Let's bring fruit to school.
Good idea. Easy to pack too.
I usually take apples or oranges.
I'll try sliced melon tomorrow.
Yum. Melon is full of water.
So it keeps you hydrated?
Exactly. Like watermelon in summer.
That's refreshing.
And pineapple helps digestion too.
I love pineapple. It's sweet and sour.
Just don't eat too much. It can hurt your tongue.
Huh, true. A little is best.
Fruits also help your skin.
Really? How?
Vitamins and water make your skin glow.
I didn't know that.
Eat fruit and drink water. Simple and good.
Nature's gift, right?
Yes. And it tastes amazing.
Better than medicine.
I agree. Prevention is better.
Do you like dried fruit?
Sometimes. But fresh is best.
Yeah, dried can have sugar.
But still better than candy.
For sure. I'll eat more fruit from now on.
Me too. Let's stay healthy.
And happy. Fruit makes me happy.
Same here. Sweet and healthy is the best combo.
I'm going to grab an apple now.
I think I'll get some strawberries.
Fruit buddies.
Yes. Let's spread the fruit love.
Deal. One fruit at a time. Hey Nancy, do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Really? Most kids don't.
I used to hate them.
What changed?
I learned they're good for me.
Like how?
They help your body stay strong.
Which ones?
Broccoli, spinach, carrots, so many.
I like carrots. They're sweet.
And good for your eyes.
Why is that?
They have vitamin A.
Oh. I didn't know.
Spinach is great too.
Isn't it bitter?
A little, but it's full of iron.
What's iron for?
It helps your blood stay healthy.
That's cool.
Broccoli is full of vitamins.
It looks like little trees.
Yeah. And it helps your body fight sickness.
Like a superhero food?
Exactly.
I like cucumbers. Are they healthy?
Yes. Lots of water and fiber.
Fiber is for digestion, right?
Yes. It keeps your stomach happy.
What about tomatoes?
Also good. Full of vitamin C.
That helps your immune system?
Yes. You get sick less.
That's awesome.
Vegetables are low in fat.
So they don't make you gain weight?
Right. Good for staying fit.
I should eat more.
Me too. I try every day.
What about corn?
It has fiber and energy.
Nice. I like corn on the cob.
Me too. Tastes good and helps your body.
Are green beans healthy?
Yes. Full of vitamins and minerals.
What's a mineral?
Things like potassium and magnesium.
I see. Important stuff.
Yep. Your body needs them.
Can I eat veggies raw?
Some, yes. Like carrots and cucumbers.
Others need cooking?
Yes, like potatoes.
I like mashed potatoes.
Just don't add too much butter.
Okay.
Veggies also help your skin.
Really?
Yes. They clean your body inside.
Cool. What's your favorite?
I love bell peppers.
Red, green, or yellow?
All of them.
They're crunchy.
And full of vitamin C.
So veggies help eyes, blood, skin, and more?
Yes. They're amazing.
I'm going to eat more now.
Great idea.
Salad for lunch?
Let's do it.
With tomatoes and lettuce?
And carrots too.
Healthy friends?
Always.
Go veggies!
Go health.
Hey Nancy, how can we stay healthy?
By eating the right food.
Like what?
Fruits, veggies, grains, and protein.
That's a lot. Let's start with fruits.
Fruits have vitamins and fiber.
I like apples and bananas.
Good. They help your body.
What about vegetables?
Super important. Full of nutrients.
I eat carrots sometimes.
Great for your eyes.
And spinach?
Full of iron and energy.
What else should we eat?
Whole grains.
Like bread?
Whole wheat bread is best.
Why not white bread?
White has less fiber.
Got it. Fiber is good, right?
Yes. Helps your tummy.
What about rice?
Brown rice is healthier.
Okay, I'll try it.
Oats are good too.
Like oatmeal?
Yes. A great breakfast.
What about meat?
Lean meat is fine.
What's lean?
Not too much fat.
Like chicken?
Yes, grilled is best.
I like fish.
Perfect. Fish is full of omega-3.
What's that?
It helps your brain and heart.
Cool. How about eggs?
Eggs are healthy too.
Can I eat snacks?
Yes, but choose wisely.
Like what?
Nuts, yogurt, or fruit.
No chips?
Not every day. Too much salt.
What about sugar?
Try to eat less sugar.
But I love sweets.
Me too. But only a little.
So balance is key?
Yes. Eat many kinds of food.
Should we drink milk?
Yes, for strong bones.
And water?
The best drink ever.
How much water?
About 6 to 8 glasses a day.
No soda?
Not much. Too much sugar.
What about juice?
Only a little. Fruit is better.
Okay. I'll eat better now.
Me too. Let's help each other.
Good idea.
We can pack healthy lunches.
Like sandwiches and fruit?
Yes. Add some veggies too.
What if I get hungry?
Snack on nuts or yogurt.
That sounds good.
Eating well keeps us strong.
And helps us focus at school.
Exactly.
Thanks, Nancy. I learned a lot.
You're welcome.
Time to eat smart.
Let's stay healthy.
Healthy food, happy life.